In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a page in WordPress. Whether you're building a brand new site or adding a simple About page, the process is straightforward. We'll log in, open the page editor, add a clear title and content, and publish your work so visitors can see it. I'll share practical tips along the way to make each step feel easy. Start by logging into your WordPress dashboard. This is the control center for your site where you manage content and settings. If you're on a typical WordPress install, you can reach it by visiting your site's address followed by /wp-admin. Sign in with your account and you'll land on the dashboard. Remember, pages are different from posts. Pages are for timeless content like home, services, or contact, while posts are for dated articles or news updates. Next, look to the left-hand sidebar, Find Pages, and click Add New. This opens the WordPress editor. Most sites use the block editor, which lets you build content using individual blocks for text, headings, images, and more. You'll see a large title field at the top, a main canvas in the center, and settings on the right. If your site uses the classic editor, no problem. The essentials are the same. Now, add your title and content. Click the title field and type something descriptive, such as About Frequently Asked Questions or Services. WordPress automatically creates a page link based on that title. In the content area, start typing your text. Press Enter to create new paragraphs. Use headings to organize sections, and keep sentences concise for readability. To include images or other media, select the plus icon, choose the block you want, and upload or pick from your media library. You can format text, add links, and adjust alignment from the toolbar that appears above your blocks. WordPress saves as you work, but saving a draft periodically can give you extra peace of mind. When you're happy with how everything looks, click Publish in the top right corner. You'll see a quick confirmation. Click Publish again to make the page live. If you need to review it first, use Preview or update visibility to keep it private until you're ready. After publishing, select View Page to open it in a new tab and confirm that everything appears the way you expect. And that's all there is to it. You've created a page in WordPress, from login to publish, with confidence and clarity.